Okay, you have the equation here. You have to multiply the 2/3 x and 2/3 times minus 3. And it's going to be 2/3 x minus 2, because 2/3 plus multiplied by minus 3 is minus 2. And then you lower the minus 8. And it's equal to, you have to multiply the 5 times x minus 2. And that is going to be 5x minus 10. Then you have to put the x's in one side and the numbers to another side. You're going to have 2/3 x minus 5x because you pass it to the other side, and 2 plus 8 minus 10. And it's going to be minus 13 over 3x equals to 0 and x equals 0. Okay, you have the equation P equals R minus C, and you have to solve for R. So you pass D minus C, adding to the other side, so it's equals P plus C equals R. Okay, you have 6x plus 2y equals 4, and 10x plus 7y equals minus 8. You have to do it by elimination, so you need to cancel the y. So you multiply the first equation times 7, and the second one times minus 2, and it's going to be 42x plus 14y equals 28, and minus 20x minus 14y equals 16. The y is gonna cancel, and you're gonna have 22x equals 44, and then you have to divide 44 divided by 22, and it's going to be 2, so x equals 2. And then you have to substitute the x in the first equation. So 6 times 2 plus 2y equals 4, 12, and it's going to be 12 plus 2y equals 4. So you have to move the 12 to the other side, and it's going to be minus 8. So you have to divide 2 divided by minus 8, and y is going to be minus 4. Yeah.
Okay, this is the equation, and you have to multiply, but first you have to factorize the denominator and then the numerator, and it's going to be like this: x plus 1, x plus 3 over 2x minus 5 plus x plus 2, and then it's going to be 2x squared plus 1 plus 2x over x plus 3. And the other one is going to be minus x over x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Then you're going to cancel the ones that are repeated, and it's going to be minus 2x squared plus 1 plus 2x over 2x minus 5 plus x plus 2 squared. Okay, this is the equation, and you have to factorize, and it's going to be x multiplied by x minus 4 equals 0, and then you're going to put x equals 0 minus 4, so it's going to be x equals 4, and the other x is going to be equals 0, because you have to put everything equals 0, and that's it. This is the operation, and you have to simplify it by elimination, but it have to be in its lowest terms. So it's going to be this, you multiply by 3, and this by minus 1, because you have to cancel, and it's going to be 3x squared plus 3y equals 3, and then it's going to be minus x plus 3y equals 6, so it's going to be 3x minus x equals 9, and you have to put the 0, so it's going to be 3x minus 9 equals 0. Then you have to do the general formula, that is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So it's going to be x equal minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 9 over 2 multiplied by 3, and next one is going to be 1.907 and for the y you have to substitute, so it's going to be 1.907 minus 3y equals minus 6, so it's going to be y equals 7.907 over minus 3, so y1 is going to be 2.63, and then the x2 is going to be minus 1.573, and you have to substitute to do the y, so it's going to be 1.573 minus 3y equals minus 6, so it's going to be y equals minus 4.427 over minus 3, so y2 is going to be 1.47.
Hi, I'm gonna explain you how to solve these three problems. Okay, the first one is simple. You just do FOIL. 3x times 3x equals 9x squared. Then 3x times minus 8 equals minus 24x. And the same thing with the 8. You multiply minus 8 times 3x minus 24x. And then minus 8 times minus 8 gives you plus 24. Then you just add these two numbers. Minus 24x minus 24x equals minus 48x. This one is the same as this one. You just only do FOIL. 2x 3m times 2x 3m equals 4x 6m, and do the same thing with the 3y cubed. And this is the answer. And this for the last one, you just get the common factor, and like 7x2h times 49x4h equals 343. And then but for the 27y2h 9h it's 3y2h times 9y6h.